Okay, guys. I'm is on the way out, on the way to Emancipation Park right now. Today was a chaotic day for my old teachers. It was chaotic for my old teachers today because one of the kids was having a hissy fit, so one kid having a hissy fit, and the other kids not listening, and the other kids listening some, them listening some, them not. Just was chaotic, Was chaotic today for my old teachers, but he managed. This one boy named Josiah, he wasn't listening at all. I know what I mean, but when he never listened. Hey! Yeah, I'm going down this one freeway now. Going to Emancipation. On the way back, I will show you what street I'll cut down normally, and well, I'm not ending this video yet, but I just want to tell you, today was a good day. So make sure you guys subscribe. So I'm out.